everybody, it's Christine. Today I have my third installment of adding dimension to your layouts in unique ways, and I am going to be using the double shot kit featuring simple stories from the scrap room. And I love this kit. It's gorgeous fall colors, and I was able to do another little boy layout with it. So the way that you are probably already noticing that I have added dimension this month is I have rolled my paper. So I cut 2.5-inch strips all the same length, and then I'm going to roll one end of each strip and secure it onto my layout. However, I ran into some video difficulties, so we're going to miss a lot of this process, and I'm going to try and talk you through as much of it as I can. But unfortunately, all of it did not make it to camera. Here you can see I have rolled up the top or rolled up the bottom, and above and beyond adding great dimension, the other thing it does is it allows you to have that other side of patterned paper pop through and showcase those colors that way. But you can see now I've added my pictures on there to fit onto each piece, and I'm able to showcase a lot of patterned paper as well as the pictures do not get lost at all. The rolling really draws the eye into those. And then underneath each of the rolling, I tucked some of the stickers that and ephemera that came in the page kit. So I was able to just add some really a unique look. I feel like this is one of the more unique layouts I've done in a while, by tucking those different flowers and enamel dots in underneath the rolling. And again, it just helps, all those things help pull the eye right into the photographs. Now, I did need to make my own title, so I decided to go ahead and cut one out and just cut one that said memories because it fit well with the story I was trying to tell. Now, keep in mind that this page kit comes with, or this kit comes with 2 page kits. So there's a simple stories one and there's a pink paisley one this month. And it comes with patterned papers and cardstock and then some kind of embellishing to allow you to get a sample of what this collection would be like to play with on a full-blown scale. This is one of those collections that I really, really enjoyed and am very likely to dive in and purchase more of so that I can play with it. And sometimes that happens. Sometimes I realize, one page with that collection is just enough. But I love the opportunity to be able to try things out. And if you get this one and you get the Flavors of the Month kit, you can get 6 new collections to try out each month. Be sure if you do head over there and check these out, if you do grab one, make sure to let them know that I sent you, so that they know that people are watching these videos and enjoying the products. So we're going to finish things off here. And like I said, I did not capture it all on video, but you are getting a feel for what it looked like. And really, it wasn't very complicated. The rolling came together very easily. The hardest part, honestly, on this layout was figuring out what order to put my different patterns in. And you can see that I ultimately decided to put my 2 green dotted patterns on the outside and then have 2 different ones on the inside. And I decided that just because I didn't like how it lined up any other way. It was one of those things that you just had to experiment with to see what worked. I am adding in a few little pieces of ephemera around the title there, and I'll add in some little mist splatters and things like that. But pretty simple, straightforward, great boy layout. Fall colors, of course, are so easy to make work for a boy layout. And multi-photo too. So dimension, multi-photo, boy, fall fun, checks off a lot of things on my list. Thank you so much for being here today. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and be sure to head over to the scrap room. Check out those kits from October before they sell out, or get yourself in and signed up for those November kits. I've seen them already and they are fabulous. Thanks for joining me today, and we will see you again next time.